To set your phone to notify you when your S Pen is left behind in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features and then tap S Pen. Alternatively, you can go to this menu through the air command menu. To do so, remove your S Pen to open up the air command menu. And then tap the setting icon. Scroll down the screen. Tap more S Pen setting. And then tap the gray on offset next to warn if S Pen is left behind to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and your phone will show a warning if you left your S Pen behind and walk away with your phone while the screen is off. Given to the function, it's recommended to keep this option on because it will help you to prevent you from losing your S Pen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.